Welcome to Luxury Beyond Borders, where we transcend mere opulence to explore realms of extraordinary lavishness, showcasing the pinnacle of grand living. Today, we invite you to journey with us through the doors of an astounding architectural marvel, a $170 million mansion that has previously been graced by the legendary Lil Wayne. This emblematic property is more than a lavish space. It stands as a living testament to the fusion of boundless luxury and unparalleled style. As we traverse its halls, each step unveils a narrative of grandeur, with every room echoing tales of opulence, meticulously crafted for those who embody the zenith of luxury living. This grand mansion is not merely a residence, but a beacon of extraordinary life, a place where the boundaries of extravagance are redefined, offering a glimpse into a world where every detail speaks of luxury and class. Imagine a palatial estate, sprawling over 20,000 square feet, nestled in 1.6 acres of prime oceanfront terrain. This Mediterranean-style sanctuary, constructed in 2006 and expanded with grandeur in 2015, is a masterpiece of architectural brilliance. Once the abode of the iconic Lil Wayne, the estate radiates a craftsmanship that surpasses the ordinary. Its majestic façade, adorned with timeless elements, stands proudly against the shimmering Atlantic, offering breathtaking views that capture the essence of luxury living. This estate's grandeur is not only in its vastness, but in its ability to harmoniously blend man-made luxury with the natural beauty of its surroundings, creating an enclave of opulence in harmony with nature's magnificence. The property's exterior, with its elegant lines and intricate details, reflects a commitment to excellence in design, a place where art and architecture merge seamlessly. Step inside, and you are greeted by a grand foyer that unfolds like a scene from a luxurious cinematic masterpiece. Marble floors glisten under lavish chandeliers, and walls adorned with exquisite art narrate stories of exclusivity and splendor. The living spaces, a perfect blend of modern elegance and comforting luxury, feature high, ornate ceilings and expansive windows that usher in the sunlight, offering an uninterrupted view of the ocean's horizon. Every room is an invitation to immerse oneself in unparalleled luxury, an ambience that melds comfort with sophistication, creating an inviting and awe-inspiring atmosphere. The interiors, each meticulously designed, reflect a profound understanding of luxury and comfort, with custom furnishings and exquisite finishes that cater to the most discerning tastes. The mansion, a reflection of Lil Wayne's stature, is a collection of numerous bedrooms, each a sanctuary of luxury. These private retreats, designed with meticulous attention to detail, feature plush bedding, lavish decor, and state-of-the-art amenities. The master suite, a haven of luxury, offers panoramic views of the ocean, a private lounge for ultimate relaxation, and a spa-like bathroom. Here, one can escape into a world of tranquility and indulgence, each night an experience of unparalleled comfort and luxury. The suite is more than a sleeping space. It's a personal retreat, a space where one can unwind, reflect, and rejuvenate, surrounded by the finest materials and craftsmanship. The gourmet kitchen is a culinary paradise, equipped with state-of-the-art appliances and sleek designs that inspire the creation of gastronomic masterpieces. The formal dining room, with its elegant setting and striking chandelier, provides the perfect backdrop for hosting unforgettable evenings. Here, dining transcends mere eating. It becomes a celebration of fine cuisine. The kitchen and dining areas are more than functional spaces. They are the heart of the home, where flavors and finesse converge, transforming every meal into a culinary adventure. This space is designed for those who appreciate the art of cooking and entertaining, a place where every meal is an event, and every gathering is a memory in the making. Entertainment and leisure are redefined in this palatial residence. The private cinema, featuring cutting-edge audio and visual systems, offers an immersive movie experience. The game room, vibrant with a custom bar, becomes the centerpiece of entertainment, ideal for socializing. For fitness enthusiasts, the gym serves as a personal fitness center, equipped with top-notch equipment, while the yoga studio offers a peaceful retreat for rejuvenation and mindfulness. These spaces are not just for entertainment, they are designed for creating unforgettable moments and experiences that reflect the essence of a truly luxurious lifestyle. They cater to a variety of interests and passions, providing a personalized haven for relaxation and enjoyment. Stepping outside, the mansion's exterior is a paradise unto itself. The expansive patio, with its opulent pool and jacuzzi, provides an idyllic setting for relaxation or hosting lavish pool parties. The cabana, overlooking the beach, offers a private space to enjoy the ocean breeze. The meticulously landscaped gardens create a serene environment, ideal for both outdoor entertainment and quiet reflection. This outdoor sanctuary is a private paradise, a harmonious blend of nature's splendor and man-made luxury, offering an unparalleled experience of tranquility and indulgence. It's a testament to the idea that luxury extends beyond the confines of the interior, creating a seamless integration with the environment. In conclusion, this mansion, once the domain of Lil Wayne, is not just a property, it's a living, breathing symbol of the dreams many aspire to. With its stunning views, exquisite interiors, and unmatched amenities, it stands as a monument to the pinnacle of luxury living. It's a beacon of achievement, a sanctuary for the discerning, and a testament to the extraordinary capabilities of architecture and design. It represents not just a home, but a lifestyle, a statement of success and elegance. We hope you enjoyed this tour through one of the world's most magnificent properties. If you're inspired by this epitome of luxury, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to Luxury Beyond Borders. Stay with us as we continue to explore the most extraordinary homes, unveiling the secrets of the world's most luxurious properties, and discovering what lies beyond the borders of conventional luxury. Join us on this incredible journey as we bring the essence of luxury right to your screen, transcending boundaries and redefining the meaning of true opulence. Each episode promises to be an exploration of splendor and sophistication, a showcase of homes that aren't just places to live, but masterpieces of design and comfort.